Hello everybody, Matt at Atlas Gunworks, talking about a new grip that we released on Tuesday this week. It is our grip. It's a retail grip designed to go onto a Staccato. It is as drop in as you can possibly get. You see it all fits really nice all through here. It's going to come with everything you see here that is grip related, except for the trigger shoe itself. So beaver tail, mag release, screws, mainspring housing, magwell pin, all that stuff comes with it. All for a price of $600. I usually don't get them in one take, not even in my store.
Also, what Atlas recommends using is this 3M Scotch-Brite medium grit finishing wheel. I need to order some.